Today I'm gonna speak about my gears. Today I will show you my backpack. This is the from Triple Out Design. This is the name is the Fastpack ADC. Starting from the top, you have the rotation point here. It's made with there is a lot of paracord that you can use as well for put your sleeping bag or whatever. Here they have a dry bag that you can put left or wherever you want to. It's very big. They have just to buckle on the side or release them. On the admin panel, usually I carry a multi-tool pen with a this is from Boker with a glass breaker, fire stick with a whistle, and a waterproof box with a cotton for make easily fire. Spoon slash fork slash knife slash bottle opener in stainless steel. This is for sharpening the blade. Use it for sharpening, for kniven, TC4. Then I have emergency blanket with a stainless steel mirror, a zippo, fire stick, here some sewing kit. Okay. Okay, so on the side I attach the pocket shower. This is from C2 Summit, 10 liter. It you easily open and you have the pocket shower. On the other side, the kitchen sink, 10 liters, is always useful to have. On the front, you can release the buckle, and you can actually release everything, but you have another box to put the woods if you want, or for example here I keep that one. And his oven fire for cooking. It's fire stuff for cooking. I don't remember in English how it's there. Then this is good for this backpack. You can open everything. And here it's also good because you can hang from the tree without anything fall. I have this monocular that is the solo. I have the immersive in case I need, because the cell phone not always have the coverage, so this satellite phone is useful. I used to have here the Olight Warrior that I don't have right now, but is usually keep here. In this box I use to carry my GoPro, my cell phone and my electronic stuff. Here I have the Leatherman mat. It's always good to have a multi-tool. Here I keep my shampoo, washing stuff, and I have an extra whistle. Here my shaving stuff plus the Leatherman Raptor. Starting from this side, I carry some map. The Nordic pocket saw that you can see a lot of video of that. It's very useful saw. I don't like to carry big, so stuff. Carry also the compass M2. This is from Second World War. It's working perfectly, but just remember that this kind of compass is show you where you point to. This is the point, and now we are pointing on this way southwest. Here I keep some medicine if I need. Here there is now you see it is a molle. This is a molle that is separate. I buy separate always from Triple Design. I separate from the backpack. We have a molle side here, and on the back I will show you now. I will usually I just bring the stuff like this, but for show you I will release everything. It's just for show you how easy, because you can actually easy access from the back. We have another 2 big box here. You can see also this is made by a Cordura that is very strong material. And here I have my fishing kit, and fire kit that is actually the box is from Essential Scout from Gerber, but inside there is only this fire stick and aluminium that you can use for cooking, make cup and boiling in the fire. So on the side here I have my water canteen. This is from Nalgene. This is very strong. You can also remove the top part so you can put in the fire. And I put also from GNC this metal stuff, so is useful to make more hot and for tea or whatever you want to drink. We have 2 sides. In this side I use the emergency medical kit. You have some medical for emergency stuff. And from the bottom there is another compartment that is reach until here with a D-ring, so you can attach a light, or for example me I use this water filter like straw without the falling down. This is a very good water filter. And from the other side I used to have a box with a paracord, and with some hanging stuff. This is survival paracord with also some fishing line and fire for making fire. So it's multi paracord, multifunction paracord. On the back I'm hanging like this so it's not falling. I had to have this stuff. Was cooking pan with some rags for washing. Is cooking pan. The bags I can use for bring mushroom, fish or something like that. As well this one. This is I use actually for cleaning the pan. And this is my DDD hammock. I used to carry also this Blavor power bank. I don't use often actually I don't use electronic stuff when I'm in the wild, but if I have to stay more than weeks I use it. It is chargeable by sun, and it's very nice, waterproof as well. As a knife, I used to have this Boker Primate from Vox, 7mm thick. It's small, but it's really strong, and you can use for everything. I don't like to carry big knife. It's really strong with Kydex sheet, and is tech lock. It's very useful to use. You can put everywhere. That I almost forget. Here on the side of the backpack you can put rugs or wherever you want, or hoods. There is additional space here. Plus here you have the ring, and you can attach a lot of stuff. It's very strong backpack. You can hang as well for like this, for avoid the release. I use often this one in the jungle and in the forest of north of Italy, and jungle usually in Indonesia. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you as soon as I possible.